So we're going to have a look at how to create a table of contents within your Word document. Table of contents, as you probably know, is a list of headings in the order in which they appear in the document. In Word, you create a table of contents by applying the inbuilt heading styles to the text you want to include in the table of contents. Word then searches for these headings and inserts the table of contents into your document. When you create a table of contents in this way, it gets inserted as a field, which means it can easily be updated should you wish to make any changes to your document. So as you can see, we've got a fairly long document here, various headings within it. It's all these headings that we want to be included within our table of contents. So I'm going to click within the first heading here. I'm on the Home tab on the ribbon in this Styles group. You can see we've got these inbuilt styles, and it's these heading ones that we're interested in. If I hover over heading 1, you can see a preview of what it would look like on that heading. When I click on it, it applies it for me. I'm going to scroll down to my next heading, click within that one, click on that heading 1 style. Now what we could do to save a bit of time is actually select each heading in turn and hold the Control key down and select them all here. Let me just scroll down a little bit, select them all here. And this one, and this one. Let's see if we've got any more there. That's all of them. Release the Control key, and as you can see, they've all been selected. So now I can click on that style and apply it to them all in one go. And just coming back up to the top of the document, I'm pressing Control and Enter keyboard shortcut to create a page break, a new page for me, Control and Home to take me to the beginning of the document. Let's now go to the References tab on the ribbon, Table of Contents group, click on Table of Contents. There's a few inbuilt styles here. We're going to use this first one. If I click on that one, you can see how it has created that table of contents for you. Advantage here is it is a field, so it can be updated if you make any changes. Also, if you want to go straight to a certain heading, for example, copy and diskettes, if I hover over that one, I can hold my Control key down and click, and it takes me straight to that section within my document.
This topic is covered in more depth in our one-day tutor-led course, Microsoft Word Level 3. Head on over to our website, and if you have any questions, do ask our team. Stay posted for future uploads, and thanks for watching.